I mean, my advice would be as good as anyone's, which is to do some research about the place before you go. Find out what the cultural differences are so you don't upset anyone. Then you can enjoy your time there more and have an open mind about learning new things. Also, don't do anything dangerous. Stay safe, especially if you're a woman. And don't go to places your government says are dangerous. Stay away if the international advice tells you to do so. And make sure you got the right travel information about the area and that it's up to date. The last time I traveled for fun and not for work was when I went to Chile. I love being able to understand the language of the country I'm traveling in. And I'm lucky because I speak Spanish and I never have been to a place where I don't speak the local language. In my opinion, the travel experience changes so much if you're able to understand and speak with the locals. At the same time, I'm also looking forward to going to a place where I don't speak the local language, as I feel like I might learn more about how you can communicate with people by looking at their body language and face.